Hello, Augies Worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG, here with another episode of Ask Dave. And Augie suggested that I look at alpha antenna. And I had made the statement that I did not know of any U.S. manufacturer other than Chameleon who made double loop antennas. And he says, well, what about alpha antenna? And so he forwarded our email exchange to Alpha Antenna, and they wrote to me and said, well, actually, instead of sending you the double loop, we'd like to send you this. Okay, so we have it. It's a portable type antenna. So let's just unbox it real easily here. This box cutter has a bump right there, which is right where my hand grabs it. And that little bump retracts the blade. Okay, let's see what we got. Wow. I think we'll have to take this all out to discover what we've got. And this is the return label. So we'll carefully save this box. And inside this very sturdy tripod is this right here. Okay. And this tripod extends out some distance, not a huge distance, out to there. Okay. So, pretty good size. So far we've seen mostly tripod. This is a serious tripod. And what do we have on the end here? We have a place where you can screw in. That's a bigger than a quarter. Oh. Okay, we've got very sturdy extendable antennas. And we have two pieces of wire. This one has an insulator on the end. This one has a spoke on the end and a clip, like a battery clip. And this one also has a battery clip. And then we have, these two. Okay, let's see what's in this bag. Hextenna. Portable UHF, VHF, HF antenna. Maximum power 1.5 kilowatt PEP single sideband. Okay, and they show dipole assembly, Yagi assembly, and a vertical antenna. Okay, now that's all that there is there. We have this is the hub. Now, it's marked for counterpoise, dipole element 2, vertical element, or dipole element 1, and then that's where the coax comes in, okay? And this screws on here. Okay, and then This screws on here for the dipole, or you can put it there for the vertical. Okay? And there are no instructions except this right here. Let's see. Okay, the counterpoise elements are shown as being for the vertical. This element is not mentioned here. Okay, and we have adjust element length to tune for lowest SWR. Length of element can vary based upon ground conditions. And it gives you some lengths, dipole and vertical. Okay, so, and install the clip on for 40 meters and 30 meters, 15 feet, 8.5 inches. Each element, install the clip-on wire element. Interestingly, these each end in a stake. The stake is insulated from the ground. It's just a place to put it. Okay, and same here. And then this is the counterpoise. So I think what we'll do is we'll stop right now for the unpacking of this, and then the next video we will show it being set up and used. So there you have it. We have something from Alpha Antenna that I've not heard from before, that they've sent to me for review and asked me to send it back when I'm done, so I don't want to get it real dirty out there in the mud. And we will put this thing together and have it all set up for you for a future video that won't be too long from now. So there you have it. If you'd like to help support this channel, go to dcasler.com/support and find a way that works for you. And until we next meet, 73.